Let's remove last name on Facebook. To do this thing, you have to use an Indonesian VPN. So, open Play Store, type and search Indonesia VPN. You can either use this application or you can use this application too. I will use this application. Then, after install, open the application. Then, you have to connect to Indonesian server. Tap server list. Then, select any Indonesian server. I will close the advertisement. To connect, tap the rocket sign. After connected, you can see the correct sign and you can see download and upload speeds too. Then, open your Facebook application. It doesn't matter if you have Facebook Lite or original Facebook application. This work both of them. Go to name changing section. Tap edit next to your name. Then you can remove your last name. And also I will change the first name too. After removing, tap review changes. Then enter your password to confirm. After entering, tap save changes. If you go back to your profile, you can see you have only one name. This is a short video how to remove last name on Facebook. If you want to watch full detailed video, you can find that video link in the description. That's it. Thanks for watching. Later.